Hi guys, welcome back to the Drama Queen Show. It's your girl Cherry, and enjoy this beautiful video while I tell you a story about a young man who is a few hours away from sleeping on the subway in New York City tonight. Yes, guys, unfortunately, when you come to foreign, if you're not staying with your family members or your close friends, if somebody put you up in their place, they don't want you in there for too long. Yeah, man, after a while, they start showing you bad face and you have to go. Anyway, this young man reached out to me telling me about his situation. So I said, let me bring it over here to the Drama Queen Show to see if we can all come together and give him some good advice. I don't know how this young man ended up homeless in America, but he's been staying with these people for over 2 months. Yeah, man, he sleeps on the couch. He gives them $300 a month for rent. He said he cook when he's there and help them out. But after a while, guys, he said they started showing him bad face. I don't know what he did, but that's what he told me. They just start showing me bad face, drama queen. Well, apparently, when I dig deeper, it seemed like they wanted more than the $300. So I told him, give it to them. And he must say, no, sir, him now work enough because after him give them the $300 a month time, I want like a part-time job he have. So him barely can make it around for the next month. You understand? So I'm saying, nah, give them no more and this and that. And I'm saying to him, give the people them more money. At least you're not paying $1,500 a month. You're not paying $2,000 a month. So if they want $400 instead of $300, just give it to them. I'm saying, nah, give them. The people them are retaliate now and basically telling him to leave. Anyway, him out there now with him bags packed, everything packed. Me say, what you gonna do with the bag them? Him a go put them in a friend car and him a probably sleep on the subway tonight. And I'm telling him, please, go back. Beg the people them pardon. You cannot go and sleep on the subway. That's some vicious thing that in a New York City. People who are homeless, are homeless for various reasons, and some really bad things can happen on the subway. So I am not encouraging him to go and sleep on the subway tonight. When we check out this young man, guys, I think this young man is a little bit too ignorant and he needs to be humble. First off, I am not putting up nobody in a foreign. I can't accommodate them. Unfortunately, if me have a good friend, she can come stay with me for the day or two. But me not have nowhere to accommodate nobody. A lot of people that I know in a foreign, them not put up nobody in a them place because people like them privacy. So for these people to have him sleep on the couch as much as them I take $300 or $400 from him, I believe is a good deed. But this young man feel like say because him a pay them $300 or $400, him is a resident. And these people believe that they are doing him a favor. So that's where the conflict probably come in, where he thinks he's a tenant and then just feel like say a catch with them. Of a fact, he's paying rent, so he is a tenant. But to the former treatment that they're giving him, I feel like he's not a tenant. He's just catching with them. The people them know him, so the people them are argue with him. And he's arguing back with these people. I tell him, you cannot do that. You cannot argue back with these people. You sit down and you keep your mouth shut. Because nobody not to open up them door to you until they say, yes, you're welcome. Come and sleep on my couch until you figure your way out. Guys, should this young man go back inside and beg these people pardon and try and stay there for another few weeks or another few months? Or should this young man take his stuff, leave them in his friend's car and go and sleep on the subway? I don't believe this young man have enough money to pay for a hotel. I don't believe this young man really want to go in a shelter. What do you think this young man should do? Guys, I don't know if I told him the right thing, but I tell him, put your behind back inside. Go and beg these people pardon. If them want more money, give them more money. And go and humble yourself. Yes, guys, I believe that's what he should do. However, I cannot force him to do that because at the way he's raging right now, he seems like he's ready to tell these people to clot and out of ignorancy end up on the subway. Let me know what you think, guys. People now put up people in America. Do you know anybody who put up people in America for 2 months? Have them invade them space, have them know them private information. These people probably walk a bathroom and is there sitting on the couch. After a while it can become uncomfortable because it's not like he's secluded in a room by himself. He said he's sleeping on the couch in the living room. So I guess everybody passed by him back and forth, back and forth. And this young man knows that I'm talking about this thing right now. I told him that I'm going to talk about it on the Drama Queen show. And he was okay with it. But do you know of anybody putting up people in America? Would you put up anybody in your house to sleep on your couch? How long would you have this man on your couch sleeping? These people probably come home from work every day, and him did a cock up with him foot, I watch TV and all them something there. I hear all these stories, guys. After a while, the bad face are going to start show. It's very unfortunate if you don't have your mother or your father or your sister or a good friend. Fortunately for me, I had my mother, and if me go back to my mother right now with the 3 children them, my mother go take me in back. But not everybody is like that. And if you're not close with someone, they really don't want you in them place for too long in America. Anyway, guys, I really feel it for this young man, but I can't help him. Please let me know what you think. Leave a comment, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet, and share this video with a friend. And I will see you on the next video.